Hello Saniya, so I want to know that how was your experience with Zubair Malik Photography?
Thank you so much. So basically, I had an absolutely wonderful time. He was so accommodating. He came on time, and he was very flexible with the working hours as well. And the photography was amazing. So we're just waiting on the pictures now.
Okay, and how is your experience with the collaboration with your clothing brand?
It was really great. Everyone was very helpful. They were collaborative, and they came on time. Everyone did their stuff, and it's been wonderful.
Did Zubair take all of the details of your clothing brand and clothing line? Like, are you satisfied?
Yes, I'm completely satisfied. I think he took all the shots that even we asked him to, and then even some more extra ones if he wasn't satisfied with it. So him putting into that much effort into another person's work, that's amazing.
Okay, thank you so much, Saniya. It was really nice working with you too. Thank you.